Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about PinkCupid. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't really matter, or you just don't care about, to stretch this to 15 minutes, I'll straight up tell you the best VPNs for PinkCupid right now. Plus, a few key things about each one so you can just pick and go on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description where you can grab my full research doc for free and read it all year long, no joke. Alright, let's dive in. Here are the top 3 VPN services for PinkCupid and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for PinkCupid. Why? Well, for starters, it works seamlessly with PinkCupid. Super important, right? Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested, so you get quick connections and barely any lag. That means smooth profile browsing and chatting, zero interruptions. Features, it's loaded. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support, great price for what you get, and the support is top notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, not at all. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech out there, keeping your PinkCupid activity private and secure. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and relatively cheap for what it offers. Negatives, only a 10-device limit. Second best for PinkCupid is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure performance. Speed, crazy fast with consistently low latency. No lag spikes, no disconnects. Your PinkCupid chats stay smooth as butter. Features, all the essentials for dating app users, plus a reliable kill switch and split tunneling. Super handy if you want to route only PinkCupid traffic through the VPN or the opposite. Pricing and support, one of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than the competition, but still top tier performance. Support's quick and helpful. Logs, no logs, and they've got an independent audit to prove it. Encryption, top level AES 256. Negatives, it's US based, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy nerds a bit uneasy. Also, its server network is smaller than NordVPN or PIA. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set it and forget it VPN. Perfect for smooth PinkCupid use and great value. Third best is private internet access, or PIA. Why? It's got a huge server network and the most customization here. Speed, really good. That massive server network means you'll almost always find a fast, uncrowded server near you, so PinkCupid loads nice and quick. Features, packed with goodies. Kill switch, a great ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN on this list. Pricing and support, usually the cheapest premium option here. Support's solid and professional. Logs, no logs. Their no logs claim has even been proven in court. Encryption, the best tech again, and it's customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't quite as clean or user-friendly as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but still want a massive network and advanced features to keep PinkCupid safe and private. And that's it. My top 3 picks for PinkCupid: NordVPN, IPVanish, and private internet access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just because you like the color or logo, you'll be more than fine. They all work perfectly with PinkCupid. Quick recap if you're still on the fence. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for PinkCupid. A premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, lightning-fast, set-it-and-forget-it PinkCupid VPN that gives you awesome value for your money. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a huge server network and lots of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below. Grab the best price while you can. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and please let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.